Good morning, welcome back. What day is it today? Thursday today, so I've had 2 days off with big funeral, so the day off yesterday, needed it, so just chilled out. So on a new job, as you can see, this is a bit grand design, isn't it? A bit nice is this, a bit nice. So what we're doing on here is we're doing a patio across underneath them air bricks next week. But today and tomorrow, putting a footing in down here to where I'm stood. And that is going to be like a retaining wall separated from the front to the back. And then they're going to have some trellis up here and all fancy stuff. But yeah, it's footing today. We're going down till we find clay, like it should do. But I've got a feeling it's going to be right down there, and that is quite a steep banking. If you look out Barrage tilted, it's quite a steep banking, so it might be a bit of a dig, but might be a 10-minute dig, might be a 10-hour dig, let's see. But yeah, it's quite a small job. We're not doing, it's all groundworks. We're doing this wall, building it up to roughly there. We'll see, depends how deep the footing is, depends how high the wall is, and then they're going to add extra on. But the patio we're doing, and some steps leading to the door, and then they're doing the soil, doing sleepers all the way around, and doing everything themselves over at winter, which is good on them. We've probably spent 100 grand on chuffing extensions, so good on them. But yeah, just getting his dig on, getting a little bit warm, and later today, them two finished the other job yesterday over in Oakwood with the gravel and the porcelain. Now the porcelain went down on Monday, so they laid the porcelain Tuesday, gravelled it up, tidied all garden up, did everything else. What more can you ask for? Brilliant. So yeah, we're here till we're here on this, and then we just need to go over there and just go sort out with customers and stuff. But yeah, catch you soon. So what we've come across all the way through, hardcore up to here, so we've dug deeper, and then as you got from say here, bedrock side, you can see it all the way up here, and obviously it's rock hard, like we've hit with his grafters, with his bars. You can see some at rocks, but as you get further up there it's more continuous rather than in gaps and stuff. So obviously this bit's been dug out for the extension to work around as well, so that's where it's soft, but up there it's just untouched. So yeah, so we don't have to dig down 6 foot, so it's good. But now we're just, as you've just seen, trying to get this up, but he's like, I'll do it, crack on. But yeah, it's a bit of a bonus. We're not old boys who we know. I dig that out to put it back in. It's solid. It's super solid. What we might need to do, we've got a pillar either end and then one in middle. We're going to just kill it with pillars. Might just need to dig a whisker out of here, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. But we'll see. See what we're like. But yeah, we just need to get footing in, and then we're not done for today because we've still got things to do today. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Fast forward 2 hours and we are on an insurance job that we did a couple of weekends ago. My mate's company come in, did the fence, we replaced it, dug all the soil out, replaced the soil, and then we're putting in 5 red robin, 1 conifer. So basically this got set on fire from the land behind, whoever's done it. It's all gone up, and also they have shot the window up there, look at that. Beauty. Nice people. Bradford. But yeah, nice and easy. Dig it, we dug it out, we put new soil in, and now we're planting it all back up again. So it's nice. So we're done. So it is nice to actually put plants in. We always get a lot of stick on YouTube, especially. Not you guys, but you guys. Basically, I've done a video in Pudsey. What was that now? I think it's got a thumbnail of Tiny Garden Complete, and it's got about 20,000 views on it, which is brilliant. Love it. Yeah, it's slagged off because there's no plants in it. This is not a garden. But in the UK, we don't call them yards, do we? It's just a small garden. So a front terrace with like 1.5, that's all I've got, 1.5 metres, What do? We Indian stoned it. I've been slagged off for ripping all plants out and Indian stoning it. It's not me that wants it. It's the customer that wants it. And it's my fault. Or we'll do a big garden, like, it's alright size garden this, but we'll do a big garden like this. And we'll Indian stone it, turf it, put a wall in it, put it all raised planters, all nice, all render it, do whatever. Where's our plants? The customer's doing the plants. We don't do the plants. Because them plants there, right, give you an example, right? I can give you a quote on plants, but I'll state that they're only this big, or this big because of the price. I've got here, Phitinia Red Robin, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 conifer, £650, and they're 5 foot. And it's just bloody expensive. Planting out a garden, easy, £1,000, easy. And then you've got 2 men on it. Do you know what I mean? It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money, but if they can do it weekly, if it's just not in their budget, they can do it weekly. They can plant it and do it as they want in a way. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're done here. On to the next one. And in fact, it's not even a job. We've finished the job. I'm going over to the job that Oliver and Tom completed. Just walking through with customer before payment. Just show you guys what it's like. See you over there. I'm impressed. So we've got porcelain. Here we had an air brick, so we've got an air brick behind, pipe going through to this air brick. So what you're doing when you're building steps, you put an air brick in front of the step and then put pipe through. It still goes through. So same with that. This has been brought up. This were a manual, about 300mm down. Obviously we brought the area up, so they've done that. It's a nice grey grout in there. Gravelled it, soiled the edges, raked it, all nice. Only thing I need to take is that. What more can I say? That's what it's about, innit? That's what it's about. Class, innit? I love it. It's weird, isn't it, how you put a 7-foot fence up. I know it's 6 foot from that, but you put a 7-foot fence up and it opens it up. It don't close it in, opens it up. So I'm impressed, to be fair. So yeah, get this on van and it's home time. So I'll see you all tomorrow, back on the other job, building the wall, but it'll be about 8 o'clock sharp.